guys, welcome back. Sorry, that's really loud. I'm gonna turn it off. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I know it's been a really long time, and I think the last time I actually vlogged was probably, yeah, it was like December, where I said I was gonna start vlogging, and I had all these plans of like things I wanted to vlog, but yeah, just didn't work out. But yeah, this is the first video I'm putting up on my channel in 2018. So today's video is going to be a vlog style, kind of like my weekend routine thing. It is now Saturday, 17th of March. We're like well into 2018. It's never too late to start, right? So yeah, today's video is kind of going to be just like what I usually get up to on my weekends. My weekends are usually kind of chill. I don't really do much. Yeah, let's just get into it. So I'm actually going to start by cleaning up this entire mess right here. I usually sort all of this out that has accumulated throughout the week on like the weekend, just because, I don't know, I like to declutter all the shit that happened the previous week and kind of start fresh. That's me putting my bed. I literally just fluff my sheets in. Hi, so I am in the car right now. I'm actually on the way to pick my sister up from Subang. It's really loud, but I really like the song. Yeah, I'm on the way to pick my sister up from Subang, and it looks like it's gonna pour down like crazy. I hate driving in the rain, but it's my favorite kind of like weekend weather. The sky is so gloomy. But yeah, as I was saying, I haven't seen my sister like in an entire week, which is super weird, because I used to see her like every single day, because we used to live together. I mean, we still live together. She's just always at her boyfriend's house, so I barely ever see her anymore, which is fine, I guess. She can have a life and she can enjoy herself. But what about me? Shit, it's so gloomy. It literally looks like it's gonna be a massive storm. I just realized I have no idea where I'm going. Let me put in hairdress. Oh no, it started raining. I'm just outside the house.
Okay, I'm coming now.
But it's raining quite badly. How are you gonna come out?
I'll just use my bag like I usually do.
Okay, there's a car in front of the house, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay then. See you, bye. Hey, look who's here! Hi, guys. Okay, that's all. Let's go. And what have you been up to?
I've been just watching. I got a couple of packages the other day, like throughout the week, that I really wanted to open, so I thought I would just do it with you guys here. Okay, so I really want to open this little Sleek package with you guys. Sleek was so kind to send me a couple of, I think it's their new eyeshadows. I think that's what they mentioned, but I haven't actually opened this, so I'm excited to, oh, that's so cute. It says, go wild with creativity. So they have a little pamphlet. Oh my gosh, so many pretty colors in here. But yeah, let's read this first. Get creases that cut. Introducing our new Eye Art Precision Liquid Eye Color. I guess, yeah, it's these ones right here. Oh, that's so cool, because I suck at cut creases. I feel like this would really help with like cutting them out. Available shades, so there's 6 different shades, and retail selling price for 59 ringgit. It'll be available at selected Sephora, Hermo, Lazada, and Zalora outlets. Oh, so far they look really cool, but let's actually check them out. So they sent me 3 shades, these ones here. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. I like how they have like a really crazy color and then like a semi-bold one and then like a really natural one. So this one is the shade Neo Pop, and it's just like a really metallic bright blue. I've always been such a huge fan of Sleek. Okay, so it's like a little like brush tip applicator. And okay, so it's an eyeliner, but I guess you could use it as like an all over cream eyeshadow as well. Oh, that's so pretty. So you could kind of use that all over your lid if you just blend it out, or just as an eyeliner. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I want to swatch the others. Oh, I feel like that would be so nice all over the lid, just blend it out, or like in the inner corner. That's so pretty. I love this one. Oh wow, that's really nice as well. What else do we have in here? I love these little Sleek palettes. I feel like they're super affordable and you get an incredible array of colors. Let me just open it. Oh, whoa, these are so bright. These are crazy. This entire package is like inspiring me so much. I really want to play with it like right now. Let's just swatch a couple. That really bright yellow. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's so intense. And this like orange, of course, is calling out to me. Wow. There are a couple more things in here. What's this? Spin the wheel. Oh, that's so cute. Stand the chance to win a mystery matte me. Oh, this is a matte me. Okay, so there's 2 really incredibly bright shades. A really bright red and a bright purple. I absolutely love their matte me's. I actually have a couple already and they're amazing. And this one is a mystery shade. Ah, that's so cool. So they blacked out the entire package and I don't know what color it is. Oh, it's a pink. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. That's such a cool idea to like black out the package and be like, oh, it's a mystery. Spin the wheel, stand a chance to win a mystery matte me and other goodies. Catch our Sleek makeup artist at Sephora Sunway Pyramid. I'm just gonna pop this up on here if you guys want to check it out. We do have a couple more weekends. Hopefully this vlog goes up before these dates end, but that would be so cool to like spin the wheel and get a mystery matte. Next I have a couple of liquid lipsticks from Camellia Cosmetics. I absolutely love Camellia Cosmetics products. She is so sweet and her products are actually incredible. She was so nice as to send me 3 of her liquid lipsticks. We have Ruby, Lola, and Azalea. So Azalea is this really nice muted nude. I feel like this is a perfect brownie nude, which I absolutely love. Next one we have is a Lola, and this one is a really grayish brown. So I think this one is a lot more, yeah, this one's a lot more cool tone. So that's like a really cool tone brown, and you can see how much browner that is compared to that one. That one actually looks a lot like Lolita from Kat Von D. And the last one I have here is Ruby. Oh wow, I love that. I feel like it's the perfect balance between a pink and a red. Oh, so nice. Yeah, so that's pretty much all the makeup I have to show you. Thank you so much to Sleek and Camellia Cosmetics. Absolutely love everything. So I'm actually going to pop a couple of stories of these new products up on Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, you probably should. It's not focusing. But yeah, I'm just going to quickly pop some stories up. And yeah, just because I really want to take some cute photos of these. So I had this hot and sour vegetable soup the other day when I was in like an Indian restaurant, and it was so good that I googled the recipe and I really want to make it for myself. So it has a whole bunch of pictures that I'm going to follow, so I kind of can't screw it up, right, if there's pictures. Yeah, basically it's just a whole bunch of like vegetables and stuff like that in a soup. So yeah, I'm gonna go out right now to get the ingredients. I'm gonna go with my sister and we're probably gonna get something to eat. We're thinking sushi. Yeah, it's a lot later now, but the sun is still out, so making the most of our Sunday. We're just gonna head to probably the mall around the corner, and I'm gonna grab all these ingredients and then we're gonna go get dinner, or we might get dinner first. I don't know. We're kind of hungry.
Part 1. Courage. Hidden treasure.